Okay, so first impressions, not a bad looking case. Plenty of mesh panels for some good airflow. That glass on the side and the front, that's some pretty thick glass. Got some weight to it. So let's get these panels off and take a closer look. Top pops off, all mesh. That front panel, same thing, everything's toolless, so we can just kind of pop that off. I don't know if that shows on video, but that glass has some heft to it. Our side panel, same deal, just kind of pop that off top and bottom. And as we come around back, again, that same mesh pattern there. Pop that off. Right. So here in the back, we got a pocket for our PSU. Plenty of space for cable management. You can plug your PSU in on that back panel, and it comes with this extension that you can kind of route over to your PSU, which is nice. Got all our pre-installed fans. Again, here in the back with your AIO, all mesh and open for plenty of airflow. We got our 5 pre-installed case fans, 140 millimeters each. I haven't seen the RGB on these, but we'll take a look. We kind of have a theme in mind, so they may not stay with this case. Nice little shelf here for your memorabilia or whatever else you want to add. And then the front side of that pocket for your PSU. And on the side, you got your power reset and your USB. First impressions, not a bad looking case.